Okay guys, I'm back on the HealthKit TC-3 vacuum tube checker, and last time I worked on it, I cleaned all these potentiometers, but there are a few resistors here that I didn't have, and I went ahead and ordered those. We're going to go ahead and replace those. They've gone out of their values, so gonna replace these, and then there's a few more on the other side that came in, and this will finish refurbishing this unit. Be interesting to see how the readings are after I change these resistors from the last tests I did. So anyway, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So this 360 ohm resistor has drifted to 392, almost 393. So here's the new one. Test those. So the new one is 363 ohm. So much better. We'll put that one in. Okay, so I replaced the resistors on this. They're all set very well, and hit all of the other contacts and made sure that they have good contact. So move on over to the other side now. So this resistor here is going to be replaced, and I think there's another one over on this side. Yeah, this one right here. You can see I've replaced those other ones, and after that it should be completely finished. Okay, finished replacing the resistors. They're all to spec, 1% accurate, and we're ready to put the panel back on and give it a test. So everything looks really good. All the solder joints and everything have been touched up, a little bit of refresh solder, and it should run like a really reliable unit again for another 50 years. Hopefully, unless something fails. Anyway guys, so let's check it. Wow, off the charts. Same as yesterday.